Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, everyone. The Honorable Lecturer Mr. Agung Yudiantara, and all of my beloved friends. First of all, let us thanks to Allah Subhanahu wa Taala because His blessing we are able to do this presentation. The presentation today is about AI for education, and the application that we choose is Smodin. Let me introduce our members of the group. The first is Salwa Nurjanah Alesti. The second is Syahira Ruqaya. The third is Syifa Azzahra, and the last is Wardah Lathifah. Without further ado, the first material will be given by myself, Syifa Azzahra. Now, I would like to describe chosen application that is Smodin. So, AI is uniquely positioned to remove some of the biggest learning roadblocks facing students and writers today, such as writer's block, information overload, and conceptual gaps. Smodin is a multilingual, student-focused company using AI to address students' largest learning challenges. Inspired by the biggest challenges students and writers face, Smodin's mission is to make writing as stress-free as possible. Smodin believes writing should not hold anyone back, be it language, understanding, or low talent. Writing should be an avenue where anyone can express themselves completely. Smodin was inspired by the founder's unique journey through 5 careers of self-taught knowledge and teaching students of varying academic capabilities. Smodin's founder, Kevin, found that even the smartest students hit roadblocks in understanding, the most difficult of which starting a paper is where AI in particular excels. By having AI Institute, the base of a paper, students are free to explore the various facets of the information they are learning about. The next is features of the application. Smodin has many features that are very helpful for students, educators, writers, and virtual workers. The features provided are the first, rewriter. A rewriter, also known as a paraphrase machine, paragraph rewriter, or text rewriter, is a machine that rewords a sentence or paragraph by changing the sequence of words, using other relevant words, or adding additional context. Smodin Rewriter available in many languages that are free to use. In some cases, as with the Smodin Rewriter, it can sometimes improve the writing and make it more concise. The second is plagiarism checker. Smodin's plagiarism detector works by searching the internet database for potential plagiarized sources to determine if the content is unique or plagiarized. Smodin's plagiarism checker is the only plagiarism checker that also includes citations and bibliography information for plagiarized sources automatically. Auto-citation allows user to cite text from plagiarized sources to correctly reference to the authors of that work and avoid plagiarism. Auto-citation is an easy way to avoid plagiarism, so Smodin offers citations in multiple languages and many of the most popular citation styles. The third is Smodin Author or AI Writer. Smodin's AI Writer is easy to use, provide users prompt with a few words and easily generate plagiarism-free, unique, and high-quality articles and essays in minutes. Type what user want to write about in a small sentence or two with at least the minimum required characters for the tool to work and click on the generate text button. Smodin AI Writer will create content which users can review, edit in parts, or use only the part users like. Keep tweaking the original text or keeping the generating from the original seed. This easy to use AI text generator can be used by all education level to produce essays and articles and also for copywriting, marketing, page creation, writing paragraphs, and more. There are no software or programming skills required. AI writer tools are AI easy generator, AI article generator, story generator, and etc. For the fourth features is citation generator. Whether user need APA, MLA, Chicago, or more citations in English or other languages, Smodin's free online citation generator can produce it with the click of a button. Citations are required in published written works for validity and to avoid plagiarism. Using the correct citation style is equally important because if user insert the citation incorrectly, it could be considered invalid and could be marked for plagiarism. The next features is Summarizer. A text summarizer is an online tool that uses AI and complex algorithms to condense a text from its long, detailed version to one that is short and comprehensible. A summarizer tool carries all of the key points in a text over to the condensed version. The content that users receive contains a complete overview of the text. For example, pasting 200 words worth of the content into the summarizer can result in a more digestible 200 words version, eliminating nearly 3 per 4 of the text. The next is Smodin Omni. Smodin Omni is designed for students that want instantaneous answer to homework problem. It is designed for students who want to see related information on problems to their homework they cannot easily get from searching on the web. Smodin also designed to be a replacement for most tutor-related needs. Smodin Omni can easily answer questions while users in a class, in a study session, or anywhere users need fast answer to homework questions. Smodin Omni was specifically designed for languages that don't have as many resources available on the web. It can help popular languages such as Spanish, Portuguese, Italian, Russian, and many other languages. Smodin is on a mission to provide useful tools to every language, and Smodin Omni is part of that mission. AI chat. With AI chat, user can ask anything and Smodin's AI chat will answer accordingly. The answer personality can be general AI, storyteller, journalist, academic, inspirational comedian, teacher, marketing, and others, which can be selected by the users according to their needs. Smodin's AI content detector is an advanced tool that can distinguish between human written content and text generated by ChatGPT, BART, or other AI tools. Even professional writers, students, and educators rely on Smodin to screen their work for digital manipulation and ensure its authenticity. Anyone can easily get started using this service by uploading their text. After a simple analysis, Smodin's AI will determine the text uniqueness. And the last features is AI grader. Smodin is the best AI essay grader on the market that uses advanced algorithms to provide objective feedback and help improve writing skills. With its ability to analyze essays quickly and accurately, Smodin can help students and teachers alike to achieve better results in essay writing. These are some of the benefits of using Smodin app for teachers. The first is for teachers, Smodin can be a valuable tool for grading essays quickly and efficiently, providing detailed feedback to students and helping them improve their writing skills. With Smodin AI Grader, teachers can grade essays in real time, identify common errors, and provide suggestions on how to correct them. The second is teachers can ensure that student work is original and authentic through the AI content detector feature that can distinguish between human written content Okay, these are some benefits of using the Smodin app for students. The first is for students, Smodin can be a valuable tool for improving their writing skills and getting better grades. By analyzing their essays, strengths, and weakness, Smodin can help users identify areas that need improvement and provide suggestions on how to make their writing more effective. This can be especially useful for students who are struggling with essay writing and need extra help and guidance. The second is Modin's AI model can provide knowledgeable answers for every subject such as biology, chemistry, history, and more. The third is students can receive detailed feedback on their assignment and homework. The fourth is students get answers to any questions, including detailed feedback. The fifth is Smodin app can help students to paraphrase and summarize text. The sixth is Smodin app can help students to check plagiarism in their work. And the last is Smodin app can help students with homework. Now, the challenges or limitations of Smodin app. There are some potential challenges and limitations to consider. One of the primary concerns with AI writing assistants is privacy. Smodin collects user data to improve its algorithms and provide better recommendation. However, it is important to note that Smodin doesn't share users' data with third parties without the user consent. Another concern is data security. Smodin uses advanced encryption technology to protect users' data from unauthorized access. However, it is important to note that no system is completely secure and there is always a risk of data breach. And finally, ethical considerations are also important to consider when using AI writing assistants. While Smodin can help writers generate content quickly and easily, it is important to ensure that the content produced is original and not plagiarized. Additionally, it is important to ensure that the content produced is ethical and doesn't promote hate speech, discrimination, or other harmful content. Modern apps are available for free and paid usage. There are limitations in the functionality of the features of this application, namely 3 writing credits per day, 5 daily entries for rewriter, plagiarism checker, and translator, and 100 maximal characters per text. As for the paid ones, there are two options that have different advantages, namely at a price of $10 per month and 29 per month. For 10-month paid usage, there are limitations to the functionality of this app feature, namely 100 writing credits per month and 100 characters per text. Then for 29 per month paid usage, there are limitations to the functionality of this app feature, namely 500 writing credits per month and 1200 characters per text. If users want to use the app without restriction, they can pay 79 per month. This is significant challenge for students and teachers who want to use this application without restriction but don't have the money to pay for it. Overall, Smodin is a powerful tool that can help students, teachers, and writers improve their writing skills. However, it is important to consider the potential challenges and limitations before using the application. So, for the conclusion, Smodin is a multilingual, student-focused company utilizing AI to address common learning challenges such as writer blocks, information overload, and conceptual gaps. Inspired by the founders, this the first career journey and teaching experiences, Modin aims to make writing stress-free for everyone, regardless of language proficiency or talent. Smodin has many features that are very helpful for students, educators, writers, and visual workers. The features provided are rewriter, plagiarism checker, Smodin author, or AI writer, citation generator, summarizer, Smodin Omni, AI chat, AI content detector, and AI grader. In conclusion, while AI-based applications like Smodin offer powerful tools for education, users should be mindful of privacy, security, and ethical consideration. The benefits of improved writing skills, instant answers, and efficient grading underscore the significance of integrating AI in educational workflow. Okay, I think that's all from me. The next turn is for the second presenter, Wardah Lathifah. Times is yours.
Thank you very much for having me. Well, everyone, I'm Wardah Lathifah, and I would like to reviewing concept of artificial intelligence in education. Well, as we know, AI refers to the development of computer systems that can perform tasks that usually require human intelligence. It includes abilities such as learning, pattern recognition, decision making, and natural language interaction. In the context of education, AI brings significant transformation by introducing various innovations that enrich the learning experience. And how about roles? In the world of education, the application of AI can involve the use of technology such as machine learning, chatbot, augmented reality or AR, virtual reality, and many more. By understanding the concept of AI, education can optimize the potential of technology to improve the quality of learning and equip students with relevant skill to face an increasingly digitally connected world. So AI can open the door to education that is more adaptive, responsive, and relevant to future demands. Well, about definition, artificial intelligence is a field of science and technology that aims to develop machines to be able to execute the tasks that generally require human intelligence. It includes abilities such as virtual perception, speech recognition, decision making, and language translation. AI aims to enable machine to perform reasoning by replicating human intelligence. In the AI process, machines are taught from experience and given the correct information. How it works. In the Smodin application, user provide input in the form of files or text that can be understood by AI. This input is then processed similar to the way the human brain processes information from hearing or sight. Yeah, this application has various features such as AI rating, which can generate article or essay based on five keywords that user input. The ways this feature will involve the process of inputting five keywords of the from the type of essay or article, with output in the form of appropriate content. And other feature is like such as AI chat, connect directly with the API of GPT chat. The user only need to provide a question or comment, and the application will process it using API to produce relevant input. Relevant output. And then API or our application programming interface is set of rules and tools that facilitate communication between various software and application. For example, in the our reality is embedding feature, user API to connect with other applications such as Shopee, Dana, GoPay, and others. Yeah, those Smodin application not only gives user the ability to interact with AI through various feature, but also API to connect with external service and extend their functionality. There are various applications of artificial intelligence in the world of education. First, learning. AI can be used to create customized learning path for each student based on their strength and weakness, learning style, and interest. Second, intelligent tutoring system. An AI-powered tutoring system can provide real-time feedback to students, adapt to individual learning needs, and track their progress. Third, predict student performance. Yeah, AI can student performance predicting. AI algorithm can analyze student performance data, attendance, and other factors to predict which students are at risk or falling behind and intervene early. Fourth, automated scoring. AI can be used to assess multiple choice and quick answer questions, saving teacher time on other assignment. For example, in the Smodin application, there are assessment feature. Fifth, learning analytical. AI can help educator and analyze student data to identify trends and patterns, evaluate the effectiveness of teaching method, and make data-driven decision. And the last is chatbot and virtual assistants. A proper chatbot and virtual assistant can provide students with instant answer to common questions. So teacher and administration can focus on more complex tasks. While in the Smodin application, there are personal learning feature, on the rewire and AI writing feature, automatic assessment or grading feature, and chatbot on the summarize feature and AI content detector. Well, everyone, AI brings significant transformation in the learning process. Through technological applications such as machine learning, chatbot, and augmented reality, education is becoming more dynamic and adaptive. This modern is concrete example of an AI application with features such as AI writing and AI chat connected with GPT's API, giving using a user the ability to interact with artificial intelligence innovatively. So the importance of understanding AI concept is particularly evident in such application which offer solution for personal learning, automated assessment, and chatbot service. By applying AI, education can optimize technology and chatbot service. By applying AI, education can optimize technology to improve the quality of learning and prepare students for the digital era. In conclusion, a deep understanding of concept of AI is the key in opening the door education that is more adaptive, responsive, and relevant to future needs. Well, that's all about the review of concept of AI, artificial intelligence. I'll back to the moderator. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Wardah. For the third material will be given by the third presenter, Salwa Nurjanah. Times is yours.
Okay, thank you for having me, Syifa. I would like to explain how to use the AI application in education. Okay, the introduction of Smodin AI is an artificial intelligence technology developed by Smodin LLC. It's designed to provide innovative solution to complex problem in various industries. Smodin AI is a state-of-the-art technology that use machine learning algorithm and natural language processing to analyze data and provide insight to user. One of the key features of Smodin AI is its ability to learn from the data it analyzes. This means that over time it becomes better at recognizing patterns and making prediction based on the data it has processed. It's also able to adapt the new data and situation, making it very flexible and powerful tool. So Smodin AI is used in a variety of industries, including healthcare, finance, and marketing. Now I will explain about use cases. Smodin, an AI-powered educational application, provides versatile in diverse educational settings such as classroom, homework assignment, and test preparation. Teachers leverage Smodin's AI capabilities in classroom, delivering interactive lessons that cater to individual learning pace and offering personalized feedback to each student. Similarly, students find value in using Smodin to homework assignment, reinforcing their understanding of challenging topic through additional practice. Smodin extend its utility to test preparation by providing practice question and quizzes, facilitating the creation of study guides and flashcard for effective memorize of key concepts. Beyond traditional settings, the application plays a crucial role in the realm of distance learning. Next to implementation, Smodin AI is an excellent educational application that can be implemented in school to change the learning experience of students. Here are some guidelines on how to implement the application, including hardware and software requirement, training requirement and potential costs. The first, I will explain about the hardware and software requirement. To use Smodin, school will need a reliable internet connection and a computer or mobile device. So the second is training requirement to ensure that teacher and student can use application effectively. School should provide adequate training. Smodin provides comprehensive training material, including video tutorial and user guides. So the last is potential cost. Smodin offers flexible pricing option based on the needs of each school. The cost of implementing the application will depend on factors such as number of students, the level of support required, and the duration of the subscription. School can contact Smodin for a custom quote based on their specific need. So the last, I will explain about the conclusion, explaining the use application Smodin. Smodin AI developed by Smodin LLC is an advanced artificial intelligence technology leveraging machine learning and natural language processing for data analysis across various industries such as healthcare, finance, and marketing. Its standout feature lies in its ability to learn and adapt over time, enhancing its predictive capabilities. In education, Smodin serves as a versatile AI-powered tool for classroom, homework assignment, and test preparation. Smodin offer flexible pricing based on school needs, promising benefits such as improve student engagement and teaching efficiency. Overall, Smodin stands as a cutting-edge educational tool poised to shape the future of artificial intelligence in learning environment. Okay, thank you. Maybe I will give back to the moderator.
Okay, thank you, Salwa. For the last material will be given by the last presenter, Syahira Ruqaya. Times is yours.
Okay, thank you to moderator. I'm Syahira Ruqaya. Will be present about explaining how to use the AI application in education. The first is installing. 1. Check system requirement. Before installing Smodif, ensure that your computer meets the minimum system requirement. This requirement might include specific operation system, processor speed, RAM, and disk space. Refer the official documentation or website for the specific requirement. 2. Download the software. Visit the official Smodin website and navigate to the download section. Choose the appropriate version of the software for your operation system and download the installation package. Run the installer. Locate the downloader installation package and run it. Follow the on-screen instruction to proceed with the installation. You may need to agree to the term and conditions, select the installation location, and choose any additional component or features to install. 4. Wait for installation. Once you have completed the installation step, wait for the software to be installed on your computer. The duration might vary depending on your system speed and the size of the software package. 5. Launch the application. After the installation is complete, you can launch the Smodin application. Look for the application icon on your desktop or in the Start menu or application folder. Double-click the icon to open the application. 6. Perform initial setup. Launching Smodin for the first time, you may be prompted to perform an account, providing necessary information and configuration preference. Follow on the on-screen instruction to complete the setup. 7. Update the software. It is important to keep your Smodin software up to date to ensure you have select features and big fixes. Check the update regularly and follow the instruction provided by the software to update to the last version. The next is registration. The first step is open the application, launch the Smodin application on your computer. To access the registration page, look for the registration option within the application. It is usually located on the login screen or in setting menu. Click on the register or sign up. 3. Provide required information. Fill in the registration form with the necessary information. This may include your name, email address, username, passport, and any other details required by the platform. Make sure you provide accurate information. 4. Agree to term and condition. Read and accept the term and condition of Smodin.co. It is important to understand the term of service before proceeding. 5. Complete the registration. After providing the required information and agreeing to the term, click on the register or sign up button to complete the registration process. If all the information is valid, you should receive a confirmation message indicating that your registration was successful. 6. Verify your account. Depending on the platform policy, you might need to verify your email address or account before granting full access to Smodin. Follow the instruction provided in the verification email if applicable. 7. Log in to your account. Once you have successfully registered, you can log in to your Smodin account using the credential you provide during the registration process. Enter your username or email and passport, then click on the login and sign up. Next is navigation. After registration and login in the Smodin, you will need to navigate through the platform to access its various features and functionalities. Here how you can navigate with Smodin. The first is dashboard. The dashboard is usually the main landing page after logging in. It provides an overall of your account, including important information, notification, and shortcut to frequently used features. 2. Menu and navigation bar. Look for the menu or navigation bar, typically located at the top or side of the application interface. This bar contains different sections or tabs that allow you to access various features and settings with Smodin.co. Click on the desired section or tab to navigate to different areas on the platform. 3. Submenus or drop-downs. Within each section or tab, you may find submenu or drop-down menu that provide additional options or categories. The submenu allow you to further refine your navigation and access specific features or settings. 4. Research functionality. If you are looking for a specific feature or content within Smodin, use the research functionality. Look for a research bar or research icon, usually located at the top of the interface. Enter the reference keyword or press enter or click on the research icon to retrieve research result. 5. Breadcrumb. Breadcrumbs are the navigation aid that shows the path you have taken with Smodin. They typically appear to the top of the interface and display the hierarchy of page and section you have to visit. You can click on any breadcrumb link to quickly navigate back to provides page or section. 6. Shortcut and favorites. Smodin might allow you to customize your navigation by adding shortcut or favorite to frequently access feature or content. Look for option to bookmark or save specific page or section for quick access in the future. Next is usage. Once you have familiarized yourself with this navigation with Smodin, you can start using its features and functionalities. The specific usage will depend on the purpose and capabilities of Smodin in education. Here are some general steps to follow. The first, identify your goals. Determine what you want to achieve using Smodin in education. This could include creating and managing course, organizing educational material, facilitating communication and collaborating, tracking student progress, and more. So, explore features. Familiarize yourself with the various features and tools available in Smodin. This way include creating and managing course, uploading and organizing education content, setting up assessment and assignment, managing student enrollment, and generating reports. 3. Create course or classes. If Smodin allow course creating, start by creating a course or class. Provide relevant information such as the course name, description, objective, and any prerequisites. Set up the course structure, including modules, lesson, and research. 4. Upload and organize content. Add educational content to your course or classes. This may include lecture note, presentation, videos, quizzes, assignment, and more. Organize the content in a logical and structured manner to facilitate easy access to students. Number 5, engage students. Use modern communication and collaboration features to engage you with your students. This may include discussion forum, messaging system, live chat, video conferencing, and virtual classroom. Encourage active participation and provide timeline feedback to enhance the learning experience. Number 6, track progress and assessment. Utilize Smodin tracking and assessment tools to monitor student progress and evaluate their performance. This may involve setting up quizzes, assessment, exam, and grading system. General report to analyze student performance and identify area for improvement. Number 7, continuously improve. Regularly review and evaluate the effectiveness of Smodin in education. Gather feedback from students and make necessary adjustments to optimize the learning experience. Stay updated with new features and enhancements offered by Smodin and incorporate them into your teaching practice. Troubleshooting. While using Smodin in education, you may encounter issues or difficult. Here are some troubleshooting steps you can take. First, check documentation and help research. Refer to the official documentation, user guide tutorial, or knowledge base provided by Smodin. This research often certain troubleshooting tips, regularly ask question and step-by-step instruction to reverse common issue. Number 2, research online forum and communities. Look for online forum communities or social media group dedicated to Smodin user. These platforms often have discussion and solution to various problems faced by users. Search for keywords related to your issue or post a question to seek assistance from the community. Number 3, contact support. If you cannot find a solution through documentation or online research, search out to Smodin support team. Visit the official website or platform for contact information, such as email, live chat, or phone support. Provide detailed information about the issue you are facing to help the support team assist you effectively. Number 4, update software and plugin. Ensure that you are using the latest version of Smodin and any required plugin or extension. Outdated software or incompatible plugin can cause compatible use or error. Check for the update. Bentar lagi aja. Number 5, check internet connection. Verify that your internet connection is stable and functioning properly. A stable or slow internet connection can affect the performance of Smodin and lead to connectivity issues. Try restarting your router or connecting to the different network if possible. Number 6, clear cache and cookies. Clearing your browser cache and cookies can help resolve certain issues related to Smodin. These temporary files can sometimes cause conflict or error. Refer to your browser setting or preference to find the option to clear cache and cookies. Number 7, disable browser extension. Some browser extension or add-ons may interfere with the functionality of Smodin. Temporarily disable any extension that might be causing conflict and check it if the issues persist. The last is conclusion. Smoothing is versatile tool that can be beneficial in an educational setting. It offers features such as text generation, summarization, paraphrasing, and more. By following the installation, registration, navigation, and usage step outlined above, you can effectively utilize Smodin for various education purposes. In case of any issues, refer to troubleshooting step or contact customer support for assistance. I think this all from me. I will give to the moderator.
Okay, thank you, Syahira. And thank you to all the presenters. I think that's all from our group. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.